Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction, no? So ngayong araw, man, ngayong araw, it's a new day, and it's a new reaction. No, we have a new SB19 reaction. Everything is new today, no? So I mean, let's be grateful for a new day, and let's be grateful for Casual Chuck. We have another Casual Chuck reaction, no? Mag-react tayo sa video niya. SB19 is not authentic, they said. Nararamdaman ko na naman tong video na to. But again, we already matured, guys. We already matured, right? Right? All of us already matured, man. We can handle this like an adult, you know? Yeah, I mean, without no further ado, let's get it.
Something about it felt a little inauthentic to me. I just felt like they were
Okay.
trying really, really hard, and I was just like, no, don't do that.
Everyone's entitled to their own opinion, but there's
Ano yun? Like, no, don't do that. The hell?
Felt a little inauthentic to me. I just felt like they were trying really, really hard, and I was just like, no, don't do that.
everyone's entitled to their own opinion,
No, no.
but there's a thin line between opinion and allegation. These people pretty much called SB19 fake. So in today's video, you're about to find out what my opinion is to their
They call SB19 fake? Like, paano fake?
Everyone's entitled to their own opinion, but there's a thin line between opinion and allegation.
True?
These people pretty much called SB19 fake. So in today's video, you're about to find out what my opinion is to their opinion.
So we're doing that again, no? So now we are watching my opinion to Casual Chuck's opinion to their opinion. This is the opinionception.
Let's start with their most recent reaction, SB19's Bazinga, which only
Good song.
stayed at number 1 in BBHTS for 7 weeks straight.
Whew.
At first, it seems that they're enjoying the video so far, especially when they saw Josh,
You better just be topless.
I mean, come on. Hindi mo may enjoy yung paglabas ni Josh doon, no? I mean, di ko na lang alam.
and Pablo's rap flow.
Come on, you better spit.
And then
Come on, man. If di kayo ma-impress sa flow ni Pablo, I mean, hindi ko na lang alam, man.
things started feeling a little off when Ken started his part.
Alright?
I was actually getting a very Stray Kids feeling from this.
Yeah.
Right off the bat.
Now I get what she's trying to say. Felix of Stray Kids and Ken both have low voices, but they completely have way different styles.
Okay.
maniac 나서 빠진 것처럼 미쳐 maniac 어깨바위를 마무는
Is it fair to say that two groups are similar just because
I mean, may nakita na ako tong parang shorts, no? Yung kumanta sila sa... Saan ba to? Yung nag-perform sila ng... I mean, hindi ako familiar sa Stray Kids, no? Pasensya na. Pero, I assume Stray Kids din yung nag-perform nun. Parang yung nag-perform sila ng Gento ng live, kalimutan ko. Basta yung white yung background nila, alam niyo yung gusto kong sabihin. Alam niyo yun. Tapos parang dual screen yung pinagko-compare sila dalawa. Pero I feel like magkaiba naman sila ng lalim ng boses no? Magkaiba, no? Siguro nakakompare lang kasi parehas malalim yung boses nila. Pero magkaiba ng lalim or yung ng tunog, no? Pero yeah, I mean, I get what I'm saying as well, okay?
they both have one member with a really deep voice? You decide. And I don't know why it annoys me every time they call them
I mean, kasi parang, you know, I mean, again, that's their opinion, no? Pero parang hirap kasi parang, ibig sabihin ba kung meron sa isang group na to na parang like belter or magaling talagang bumirit makukompare si Stel doon? Di ba? Odd. Kaya lang siya nakakompare sa Stray Kids kasi again, having a member with a, mababang boses is a bit unique. Di ba? Sa mga grupo. So, dahil yun yung napapansin. Pero, kung meron bang, kunyari yung Stray Kids sila, merong member yung Stray Kids na parang mataas din yung tono, mataas din bumirit, ko-compare ba nila si Stel doon, ganon? Kung merong member yung Stray Kids na malupit din mag-spit ng flow in rapping, ko-compare ba nila si Pablo doon, ganon? I doubt it, man. Just because yung member ng Stray Kids na yun is malalim din yung boses at si Philip is malalim yung boses and it's unique. Hindi siya kadalasan makikita sa mga group is na pagko-compare siya. So yun lang talaga yung dahilan nun, di ba? Wala talagang basehan.
Cute.
Look at you.
That's cute.
That's cute.
That's really cute.
This message is sponsored by Pepsi.
That's Zach just eating the popcorn.
Yeah. With a thumbs up.
I mean, okay, so they said it's cute, but come on, Bazinga. That song is not cute at all, man. Hindi ko alam kung saan, I mean, sige, okay, that's their opinion, pero I don't see it as cute, man. Like, I already explained this to my last reaction, no? Na Bazinga, again, one of their song na parang I feel like napaka-experimental and they were able to, perform it, sing it, create that song beautifully. Again, usually pag masyadong experimental yung mga kanta, usually it's either a hit or miss, diba? But this is definitely hit, no? Again, I feel like sa gantong bagay, SB19 never missed talaga, no? Pero to call it cute, I don't know. Again, I feel like it's not bad. Tawagan siyang cute, pero you get what I'm saying, right? It's Bazinga. Like that, just imagine like Bazinga call it like cute. Like, it's like you're calling a tiger a bunny, right? Yeah, you get what I'm saying.
Oh, they're cute.
Yay!
That was cute. That was very cute. However,
Okay.
the rest of the song, I really could not get into it.
Okay. Again.
And I tried. I really tried. And
Preferences. Okay. Kung ayaw mo, that's okay.
I was like, let me just sit here. But then something about it felt a little inauthentic to me. I just felt like they were trying really, really hard. And I was just like, no, don't do that.
Wait, what? How could you say
Right. By the way, sorry casual chat kung pinutol ka na doon, no? Pero do you think sa pagkasalita mo na, no, don't do that. Do you think you're cute? Don't do that.
But
Sorry.
then something about it felt a little inauthentic to me. I just felt like they were trying really, really hard. And I was just like, no, don't do that.
Wait, what? How could you say that
Sorry, man. Ayokong maging, masyadong petty pakinggan or napaka-immature. No, pero I hate it, man. Like, no. Let's pakinggan natin ulit. Baka mali mo ako lang.
But then something about it felt a little inauthentic to me. I just felt
Okay.
like they were trying really, really hard. And I was just like, no, don't do that.
Wait, what? How could you say that the song is inauthentic? Is she some kind of a P-pop expert? She's not even from the Philippines.
Yeah.
I mean, that's the point of having appraisers for jewelry and artifacts to prove their
True.
authenticity, right? The way she said that was like telling Bill Gates that his computer is inauthentic without knowing that he's the person who actually invented it. I don't know about you guys, but I don't think she has the right to say that to the song Bazinga. SB19 is not trying to be someone else. SB19 is SB19.
It seems like the primary objective was to kind of, I don't want to say copy, but like to be something that they might not be, as opposed to just showing these.
Okay, so, I mean, ang hirap kasing magbigay ng, kung ako kasing natanungin mo, no, ako kasi, I guess, they are referring to like maybe Stray Kids because yun yung, I mean, wala akong masyadong alam na Korean group ngayon, no? I mean, BTS. Ganun kababaw, no? Yung kaalaman ko sa mga Korean grouper, I assume they are comparing SB19 to like a Korean or K-pop group. I assume, no? Pero kung ako kasing tatanungin mo, I cannot think of a group na katulad nila. You know what I'm saying? So for them to copy someone, hindi ko maisip. Kasi, again, I don't know. I'm not expert to that, no? So I cannot say that na you know, kasi ang hirap kasi magbigay ng context, magbigay ng ano doon, no? Ng defense doon or explanation or bigay ng 2 cents. Keep throwing your 2 cents. Lagi na lang. Huwag may 2 cents sa salita. Ng opinion doon kasi again, parang pag sa akin galing, hindi valid, no? Kasi parang wala akong masyadong alam na ibang group. Pero I feel like, for me, sa lahat ng mga music na napainggan ko sa mga grupo, wala akong nakikita or narinig na nakagaya nila. Like yung kagaya ng kung paano sila gumawa ng kanta, especially sa Pilipinas. I mean, definitely, wala silang katulad, no? Wala silang kagayang grupo, no? Kasi, sila ngayon nauna eh, no? So, sabi sila yung ginaya, no? No shade, no? Again, no shade. Huwag kayo magalit sa akin. But for other, like, country, like, I know, you get what I'm saying.
Themselves, like they're authentic. Like, who are they? Because
Tapos yun naman, sa bagay na yun, sinasabi niya na like they're pretending to be someone else, like, you know, that na hindi sila. I mean, I feel like they have to do the research first, no? Kasi before they become SB19, ayun na kasi yung ginagawa nila, eh, no? And again, most probably, tayo lang alam nun, no? Alam yung backstory nila, pero yeah, again, for them to say that nagpapretend sila na maging ibang tao na hindi naman talaga sila is mali kasi hindi pa nga sila sikat, na yung ginagawa nila. Right? Josh and Stel and Justine and, you know, being on the same group. I mean, Justin was never the same group with with the same group with Josh. I mean, Josh, Stel, and Justin, nagkatrabaho na sila dati in a group, right? That's what they're doing. Like, they're dancing, right? And singing, no? Pablo, sinabi nga niya dati, di ba? Sumasali siya sa mga, you know, sa mga rapcon, di ba? Ginagawa niya na yun dati pa. Bago pa siya sumikat, no? And Ken, kalaban nga niya sila Stel and sila Josh sa competition. So, yun yung ginagawa niya dati pa. Right? So yeah, you get what I'm saying. Diba? I mean, I guess hindi ko magawang maasal sa sinasabi nila kasi parang hindi naman niya alam yung sinasabi niya eh. Sa totoo lang, no? Kasi hindi niya alam yung backstory. Most probably, kung makapanood niya yung ibang video in Casual Talk about them, like the SB19 story, I mean, siguro mag-iiba yung ano niya, pero again, tayo alam natin na they're not pretending, di ba? Ang ano nga mas naging totoo sila sa sarili nila kasi nagkaroon silang opportunity para, you know, gumalaw based sa passion nila, di ba? So, totoo lang, pwede ko nga sabihin na ako yung nagpe-pretend na ano kasi, again, I wanna be a rapper, you know? I don't wanna work in a 9-to-5 job. Pero doon ako napunta, di ba? I'm working a 9-to-5 job. I'm doing like a job that is not me, ba? You know, you get what I'm saying, right? Ayun ako sinasabi. Di ko kasi ma-explain ng maayos eh. Basta alam niyo na yung meron naman tayong mga telepathy dyan, no? Alam niyo na yung gusto kong sabihin doon.
I'm more interested to see that.
Yeah, I felt very similar.
To see what?
Themselves, like they're authentic. Like, who are they? Because I'm more interested to see that.
Yeah, I felt very similarly. It didn't get me. It lost me at a lot of different parts. And yeah, the term, when you said inauthentic, I literally heard that in my head.
By the way, guys, sorry, no. I mean, I'm vaping, by the way. Sorry, agad. Kasi usually, yung talaga mag-vape during video, but I just finished my job and dumiretso agad ako. Usually, nag-vape muna ako bago mag-start ng video, pero patawarin niyo ako.
While I was watching the video, I was like, something seems not organically, and I don't know them, so I can't say that that's not them.
Exactly.
Alam niyo, minsan kami dalawa ni Casual Choc nag-connecta yung utak namin no? No? Every time na may sinasabi ako tungkol sa mga video na to, tapos alam mo yun, sinusundan ni Casual Choc na parang sinasabi na tama yung sinasabi ko. I mean, I'm happy. Diba? Exactly. You don't know them para masabi mo na they are trying to pretend that, to be someone else na hindi sila, no? Diba?
So don't use the word inauthentic because
Yeah.
you're just not simply in the position to say that.
When I was hearing some of like the verses and whatnot, there was like a level of like over enunciation and just like saying the word, like each kind of like, if you were to draw the word, it's like following every curve of those letters.
Okay, so meron akong explanation dito. Ginagawa ko to. Ang tawag dito, is, you're following a flow. Simple. Like, you have this rhyme scheme na, again, usually for a rhyme scheme, you are following a certain cadence. Man, like what Eminem doing on his songs, di ba? May pina-follow silang cadence para, alam niyo ba yung mga slant rhyme, di ba? Sometimes you have to, ano sabi ito? Parang baliin yung salita para mag-rhyme siya. It's a style, no? It's a style of how you rap or even sing, right? Ano bang magandang example ng kanta ni Eminem? Ayoko magbigay ng example na kasi sa Relapse, I mean, actually buong album ni Eminem na Relapse is ganun, no? I mean, pakinggan nyo na lang. Again, masyado kasing explicit yung mga lyrics ni Eminem sa Relapse na album. But pakinggan nyo, di ba? Maririnig nyo yung there's a certain cadence na ginagamit ni Eminem doon na hindi naman talaga yung ganun siya magsalita. But he's doing that because he has this rhyme scheme na kailangan yung sundan, no? Para mag-rhyme yung words, right? And it's a style, no? Yun yung napili mong style para, no? So para sabihin niya yan na parang ina-over-enunciate nila yung words. Napakahirap sabihin nun sa isang kanta. Maliban na lang kung nagko-cover sila ng kanta. Diba? Kunyari, hindi nila kanta yon. And then, narinig mo tong original na kanta na to na ganito yung pagkaka-pronounce nila. Tapos kinover nila, tapos mapapansin mo na parang ina-over-enunciate nila yung mga words. Siguro masasabi mo, but this is their song. This is how they want their song. This is how they want it to be, like how it will be sound pag kinanta nila. Right? So, yun pa lang, kaibigan, sasabi ko, mali ka na. Mukhang wala kang kaalaman sa music. Yun lang masasabi ko. Diba? So, dito pa lang, dahil sa sinabi mo na yan, nalaman ko na yung opinion mo is hindi valid.
To like pronounce it, well, I was just kind of like, I was just like, whoa.
Okay, over enunciation. English is not SB19's mother tongue, but in my opinion, They did a great job with the diction.
Yeah,
It's
sure.
even better than some of the K-pop groups out there that try to speak English.
True.
And I don't think accent matters anymore in music in this day and age. I mean,
even before, not actually in this day and age, even before. It's music, man. It's music. Depende yon sa kung magugustuhan mo yung tunog niya. Because it's music. Get what I'm saying? It's fucking music. As long as it's music to your ears, man. Walang mali dun. Diba?
listen to BTS. They're the biggest group right now.
When you said Stray Kids, I was already thinking, I'm like, this feels very much like a Stray Kids song. And not like they're trying to be Stray Kids, but that energy, that kind of feeling. The video was, I was like cringing a lot, but it wasn't inauthentic to me, it was unseasoned. Meaning green. It was like they're doing this style or this whatever, this kind of energy.
K-pop style.
But like
yeah.
the choreography, they were doing the
Isa na namang mali. But again, hindi ko na i-explain to ng mahaba, pero sinabi niya to, itong naka-dreads na K-pop style. Again, it's music. Music is universal. No? Siguro ubuso siya, pinapawisan ako sa sa explain na I'm trying to, compose myself and explain this in a matured way. Feeling ko na sobrang na ako dito, sobrang OA, no? Pero again, I don't wanna react na galit, no? But yeah, again, music is universal. Siguro mas umuso lang yung ganong style nung ginawa ng K-pop, pero it doesn't mean na galing sa kanila yon. So, ikaw, exit ka na again. Your opinion is not valid.
moves, but they weren't really sitting in it. Their timing was a little bit off the beat.
Yeah.
Like there'd be certain things where like
Ooh.
you can tell they're trying to hit hard, but like it wasn't hard because you're not hard. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
How could she say those things? Is she a music artist?
Yep.
Oh, they are.
Okay.
I don't claim to be your perfect girl, but I'm the pega in your boy meets world. I'm gonna scream it out. Tell 'em what I
Isa lang masasabi ko, no? So, yung sinasabi nilang they're not hitting it hard, that men, most probably wala kayong alam tungkol doon kasi I'm not seeing any hardness on your songs, guys.
It's all about yeah.
Post up what you wrote me. I never scaled back cause you told me, show me, to my lone me. I want you, baby, I want you. We two-step like the OGs. Loving overnight till the daylight breaks free. Double up with the movie songs I write. Be about you, baby.
My baby, my baby, my boo. My baby boo, my baby, my baby, my boo. My baby boo, my baby.
Isa lang masasabi ko, no? Kahit na anong sabihin nilang cringy yung SB19, that's okay. Pero never mo maririnig yung SB19 na gagawa ng kanta na my baby boop pop. My baby, my baby, my baby boop pop. I'm sorry.
Baby, my baby, my boo. My baby boo, my baby, my baby, my boo. My baby boo, 안녕하세요, 봄톤이에요. Goody good girl, going bad, Mr. Dayo. So seductive, yeah, you want come on, man. Watch me TikTok, pop, drop, lip lock. It's a girl crush concept, thing you dig. Hit you with a love shot, call me Billy the Kid. Turn off your Snapchat, boy, come and get your cookie. 21 and over shit, you ain't dealing with the rookie poster.
I was like cringing a lot.
Their reaction made me curious if they also have reacted to SB19's past videos. Well, they did.
Okay.
And sadly, they didn't really like SB19 from the start.
The song, I don't know. Like there are many catchy elements. Love Runner. I can feel it in my head. And I do.
Yeah.
I can hear that it's in my head. So I'm like, I can appreciate the composition and the fact that they created essentially a bop, but I'm like, why? What is it that I'm not enjoying? Like, I'm trying to figure that out still. The dancing was great. They have charisma, but girl, there's something that I'm just like, I don't know. It's like, I don't know. I don't know what it is. So I'm just gonna just like leave it there for now.
That's a nah for me.
Shrug emoji. I don't know because they're good. They're good and I like them, but there's something that's just not clicking for me, but not enough for me to not it. It still was good. I'm confused.
Change my emoji to the emoji was like girl, like a the screaming one. So yeah.
So maybe put a door.
No, put the emoji that's like this
Yeah.
for Zach.
I thought, the boys looked great. They looked great, but I just think that if they were to have like had all of their like looks like on display and like kind of like, okay, like how do these like mesh, knowing that this is gonna all fit together in a 5-minute video? I think they're like I was scratching my head a little bit. I was a little confused.
I mean, sure. Siguro kung din nila sa playlist or na, pipiliin nila is na. That's okay. No? Pero, I mean, hindi ko kasi makita yung grupo nila dun sa hilera or sa pila or itabi yung pangalan nila sa BTS, kay Ariana Grande, sa Blackpink, no? Sa billboard. Hindi ko makita. Maybe you guys have to, like, try to, like, paano ba to? I-retune yung music, yung pagkakalam nyo sa music, because, man, your music is not.
You know what's funny? I actually loved the song. Like, I mean, toward the end, I was like, bigger, better,
Not the words.
I loved
So they're reacting to what? Dito sa antong to.
every section of the song. I don't think I would playlist that song to listen to them all back to back like that and be like, what?
That's okay.
No, that's an offer.
You know what? I'm actually glad, no? Hindi lalagay ito sa playlist nila kasi depende dun sa kanta yung sa kanta nila na nilabas nila, no? Ibig sabihin, yun yung klase ng kanta na gusto nila. Di ba? Kasi yun yung klase ng kanta na nagawa nila. So, para hindi mo siya ilagay sa playlist mo, para hindi nyo ilagay sa playlist nyo, is a win, man. It's a win.
It's gonna be an offer for me.
It's gonna be enough for me.
I'm gonna yeah that.
You better playlist. Yes.
I was singing along the whole way through. So I
Correct.
think that's a sign.
He's like bigger, better.
Come on.
Making up the words all the time.
It is very K-pop sounding. Yeah. They're like pretty much, but Filipino.
That's what I'm thinking.
Okay, here we go again with the comparison.
Yeah.
This is pretty much.
I would rather be without vision forever watch you leave. When I close my eyes, all I think about is you.
Hindi ko siya nakilala.
This is SB19.
Yeah, we gonna go up. Ibibigay ko ang aking puso. Yeah, we gonna go up.
You can tell right off the bat that they're completely different groups.
Yep.
Or is it only because of the similar buildings in the background? Okay, this makes me curious to see how they perform live.
Bye-bye, single. Yeah, I did it, yeah, we did it.
Yeah. You are dancing, but you are not singing live. Yun pa lang, that's a big difference, man.
Inside butterfly. I can feel it, can you feel it? I don't claim to be your perfect girl, but I'm the pega in your boy meets world. I'm gonna scream it out. Tell 'em what it's all about. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Post up with you on me. I never scale back, cause you told me, show me. To me, me. I want you, baby, I want you.
Yeah. So why did I make this video? It's because it's a reminder that not everyone will like SB19. Not everyone will see what they see. SB19 sees.
And that's fucking okay, man. So, totoo lang, hindi namin kailangan kayong dumagdag, sa totoo lang. Hindi namin kailangan.
What they can do out there. They have visions. Visions that are bold and unapologetic.
Yep.
We don't have to be worried, upset, or be bitter at all. Because those who can see the invisible tend to be someone who can do the impossible.
Oh, ang ganda nun, no? Habang sinasabi ni Casual Chuck to, ando siya sa part ni Josh sa What, which is, that's exactly what Josh is trying to say, no? Nice. Wait natin yung drop ulit.
Upset, or be bitter at all. Because those who can see the invisible tend to be someone who can do the impossible.
Alright, well again, that's Casual Chuck. SB19 is not authentic, they said. Well, akala ko naman magagaling siya sa mga ano. Manggagaling siya sa taong karapat dapat magsabi noon. No? Eh, hindi. But yeah, I mean, wala akong masyadong ibang sabihin doon. Nasabi ko na lahat, no? And, again, all the yapping that they did in here, I'm you know what? I'm actually not angry, you know? I feel like, alam mo yung, pag meron kang, paano ba i-explain to? Kunyari, in a game, no? Meron kang kasama or kaibigan, tapos naglalaro ka ng, let's say, what, like, LOL, League of Legends, or, like, even Mobile Legends, no? Na hindi naglalaro nun, tapos sabihin niya na, parang madali lang naman yan eh. Alam mo yun? Yung parang hindi mo na kailangang sumagot kasi parang hindi ka nga marunong eh, di ba? So yun, no? I'm not actually even angry, no? But yeah, that's the reaction for today. Sana gustuhan nyo. Leave a like and subscribe kung gusto nyo mag-sabitin yung artist, singer, rapper, song, man. Just comment down below. Mag-react tayo dyan. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. Stay awesome. Peace.